Hi guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more videos. For today's video, we will be reacting to Ruel Carino and Karen Astrup singing Please Be Careful With My Heart. Without further ado, let's go!
Sabay-sabay na lang po tayo, pati po si Christian. Okay po.
Ang ganda rin nito ni ni Karen. Nasa Itbulaga din siya, di ba? Umpisa pa, hindi pa kumakanta, guys. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Let's go!
If you love me, like you tell me, please be careful with my heart.
Alo, ang ganda rin pala ng boses nito ni Karen. Singer din pala siya, guys.
You can take it, just don't break it, or my world will fall apart.
In fairness, ang ganda ng boses niya. Aside from maganda rin talaga to si Karen. Ulitin niya natin.
You can take it, just don't break it, or my world will fall apart.
Ay, grabe. Ang dami ng magagaling na talent ngayon, no, sa Itbulaga.
You are my first romance.
Ay, ang ganda rin ng boses. Bumibibrato rin. Ang ganda rin ng runs niya.
And I'm willing to take a chance. The life is through, I'll still be loving you.
In fairness kay Karen, guys, pwede.
I will be true.
Na-late siya doon. But it's okay, Karen.
To you, just a promise from you to
Ang ganda ni Miles. Oh my God.
from the very start. Please be careful with my heart.
Hala nyo may talent si Karen. Maganda yung boses.
Sisilip na.
Yes, Karen. Handa na ba kayo, guys? Ang susunod na kakanta ay si Ruel Carino.
Sisilip na.
So this time, Jose Marichan na si Ruel.
Love you and you know I do. There'll be no one else for me.
Go, Ruel! Nakita niyo ba yung entrance niya? Nandun siya sa likod. Yung parang kay Jose Marichan sa tuwing December, yung nakasilip. In-impersonate niya talaga, pati si Rosel Marichan.
Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see.
Ito rin yung gusto ko talaga kay Ruel kasi talagang aside from hindi siya trying hard kumanta, ang ganda talaga ng boses niya. Tsaka napaka-normal lang sa kanya yung pag-deliver din ng pagkanta.
Love has heard somebody softly spoken.
Diba? Yung vibe na ganyan, para ka lang kinakausap. Pag niligawan ka ni Ruel, guys, sagutin mo na agad.
And I've had my heart badly broken. I've been burned
Pareho pa silang bata, no? Pero sabi yung maturity ng boses nila.
and I've been hurt before.
Grabe. Please be careful with my heart, guys.
So I know just how you feel.
Go, Karen.
My love is real.
Kahit pa paano talaga, no? Kahit na may boses sila na pang matured, na hindi maalis sa kanilang pagiging bata. Sumasayaw sila, guys, para silang teenager. No?
I'll be gentle with your heart.
Please be careful you with my heart. Tapos si Karen nagba-Brazilian dance.
I'll caress it like the morning dew.
That's what you call enjoyment, guys. Minsan sa work, kailangan hindi ka puro work kasi ma-drain ka. Kailangan mo rin talaga samahan ng konting, something na magiging masaya ka. Like a break.
I'll be right
Go,
beside
Ruel.
you forever. I won't let our world fall apart.
Gusto ko talaga tong part na to. Itong kakantahin na ni Ruel.
From the very start, I'll be careful with your heart.
Oh my God. Go, Ruel. Oh my God, Ruel. Hindi ako magsasawa sa boses ni Ruel, guys. Wait. Nalito ako. Ako ba yung nalito? O na-late si Karen? Go, Karen. Naririnig ko si Jose Marichan talaga kay kay Ruel dito.
I'll still be loving you.
Ang galing niya rin makay-duet ni Ruel, ah. Go, Karen. Oh my God.
From the very start,
The very start.
from the very start.
Bukas for sure, dahil bukas is birthday ng Itbulaga, lahat sila may performance. So, abangan natin.
Very start.
From the very start, please be careful.
From the very start, guys, please be careful with... Ang blending, guys. Let's see. Let's watch it again. Grabe. Ang galing.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you very much, Ruel.
Walang sa tono.
Ay, grabe, no. Hindi talaga ako nagsasawa sa mga videos ni Ruel kahit napanood ko na yung mga iba. Minsan piniplay ko siya kahit hindi ako naka-reaction. Kasi nga, yun na lang yung libangan natin dito sa ibang bansa. Especially, hindi lang ako, marami rin sa atin na nanonood dito. At sa panahon natin na nalulungkot tayo, mga social media, tsaka sa mga videos lang tayo natutuwa. So, nakakatuwa at may mga ganito tayong mga napapanood tulad nila Ruel, tsaka yung iba't iba pang mga talent ng mga Pilipino. Again, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification button for more videos. Again, my name is Raven. Bye-bye!
Have a jolly Christmas. Promise